Hello friends. Welcome you to our channel to watch some videos that assist business managers in making their jobs easier. Nowadays, businesses are adopting new cloud technologies more rapidly and are migrating their data to the cloud. Amazon WorkMail is the paid email platform from Amazon Web Services and offers 50 gigabytes of storage per user for only $4. The user can cancel their subscription anytime, and there is no long-term commitment. If you're using expensive G Suite only to manage your emails, then you can migrate your entire mailboxes to WorkMail using our new software. KernelApps has developed Kernel G Suite to Amazon WorkMail that migrates unlimited data to WorkMail. When you start the software, you can see that there is both source and destination section to connect accounts. You need to click the Add button in the source section of the tool. The G Suite login page has all the options to add your account. You need to input account login email ID, service account ID, and P12 file path. Then you can choose to click the first option to connect a single mailbox, and the second option to connect all mailboxes using the given credentials with super admin details. Let's choose the second option and click Get User Mailboxes. After the software has listed all the mailboxes, you can select or deselect them using checkboxes in front of them. Then you should click the Add option. The first will validate the credentials of the account and add them to the software. Then you can click Add option in the destination section to add a WorkMail account. Provide the origin domain name, mailbox login ID, and password. Then choose the second option to list all mailboxes using the given credentials. Click Get User Mailboxes. Choose the mailboxes of the WorkMail account and click Add. Once the software has connected with both platforms, you can map the accounts better. Map it using the drop-down option in front of Destination Accounts. After mapping the accounts, click Set Filter and Migrate option. The next page is significant because it lets you select the primary mailbox, archive mailbox, and public folder. You can choose any one, then click Migrate option. The software will enumerate all the mailboxes. The filter page has the necessary filters that can skip the unnecessary part of the mailbox. You can apply them and click I am OK Start Migration. The software will migrate the selected folder to Amazon WorkMail completely. Their status will change to Success. After the completion of overall migration, a message will appear that the process is complete. Click OK. Save the migration report in a CSV file and click OK to complete the process. In this way, you can migrate all your G Suite mailboxes to WorkMail in a single cycle. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel to watch more such videos that will help you advance your business functions and day-to-day tasks. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get an instant notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Get the complete information about the software at its web page. Have a nice day.